just so proud of him. I just want him to enjoy the night dahil alam kong pinaghirapan niya ang pelikulang ito. This is something very new for him and I'm just so happy for him, so proud of him. I can't wait to see it.
Congratulations, David, sa iyong single na I Think I Love You. I want you to know that I'm very, very proud of you. At sana magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong journey as a recording artist. Oo, ituloy mo na. Gawin mo ng ano yan, album. Ganon. I'm proud of you and I'm always here for you to support you. Ayun, ingat ka palagi. Congratulations.
Sigurado naman ako nag-enjoy ka mag-celebrate ng birthday mo and deserve na deserve mo yan dahil napaka-hardworking mo. And you inspire a lot of people. And also, very, very happy for you kasi kahit na sobrang busy mo sa mga business mo, you still make time para makapag-basketball, diba? Something that you really love doing. So, I'm really, really proud of you. And actually, sa totoo lang, magkita tayo mamaya. So, enjoy today with your fans. And, ayun, see you later!
We're proud. Hindi. Si David kasi napaka-hardworking yung businessman. Basta ang wish ko lang para sa kanya, every night he goes to sleep, masaya siya.
Ilang months ba dapat yung hihintayin mo para makipag-relationship ulit?
I think it's better na wag ka muna talaga makipagrelasyon. Kasi baka madala mo yung emotional baggages mo from the past relationship to the next relationship. It's better to wait it out.
Gano'ng katagal? Gano'ng katagal?
3 months.
3 months na ba?
Parang.
Pero ikaw din, you just got out also from a relationship.
Yeah, last...
Hindi pa yung single?
Yeah, single.
Nagkataon naman, nasabay kayong single, no? Hindi nyo naman plinano yun. Coincidence lang.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Siyempre, naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. All for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So generally, happy and mas nakita ko yung mga... Mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
Oo, hindi pwedeng silence.
Okay.
May nanliligaw ba sa'yo? Namahal o may nagmamahal? O hindi depende, magpaligaw na.
Single.
Kahit na siniship nyo kami, single pa rin siya.
Single na single.
So,
meron na ba?
Hindi ko sure. Sometimes kasi ano ako private. Sometimes. Sometimes we learn. Sometimes we say, sometimes we learn. This time I have learned. Yeah, I mean, it's not to say na meron ako, di ba? Parang just don't wanna let people know.
People are interested to know about your love life, about David.
We're good. We're okay. We have a lot of brand shoots, kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat kami dahil hindi pa rin nawawala ang trust sa amin ng brands at ng fans. Nararamdaman pa rin namin ang pagmamahal sa amin ng mga tao, and so we're grateful for that. Maybe now, I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi feeling ko naman, pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao. It's still really all about you being ready or not. Ganyan. O, tsaka galing ako sa 7 years, hindi naman para mag-talking stage pa. Kung ayaw, di ayaw.
sa lalaki, dapat siyang gagawa ng first move. So, David, parang alam mo na yung sinabi. O, di ba? Cheers.
Cheers.
Alam mo na yun.
Yeah. Oo, siguro 3-4 years from now siguro. I mean, yun yung ideally, di ba? Siyempre, by then, 34 na ako. Alam nga naman wala pa.
So, sa dami din ng mga showbiz friends mo, celebrity showbiz friends mo, sino yung gusto mo unang makatikim ng taho at gusto mong bigyan ng flavor? At anong flavor yun?
Yan, si Dustin.
Si
Dustin. At si Barbie.
Anong flavor kay Barbie?
Si Barbie... Coffee. Ano? Coffee flavor.
Bakit?
Kasi mahilig si Barbie sa coffee. Siguro, ube. Kasi happy.
Sa huli